I mean...
Oh, good question.
It's a very difficult question.
I guess, what I usually tell people is that Elasticsearch is a, search index.
It's search,
Just search.
Just search.
Well, a giant index engine.
Powerful analytics database.
Just like a magic box.
Elasticsearch is kind of like a database and a search engine on steroids.
But it is just ridiculously easy to get it up and running and doing useful stuff.
It's a technology that allows you to implement a solution when you've got more data than you know what to do with.
Searching for big data really fast.
It's like your own in-house Google, really.
Yeah, that's a good analogy, yeah.
It's a search engine, right? But the difference is between your traditional search engine and Elasticsearch is that Elasticsearch also cares about numbers. It's not just about text.
With a decent baseline of of knowledge of how websites work, that kind of thing, you can extract a lot of information really easily.
It has really great functionality. It's stable, it's well maintained, and it's one of the best libraries around.
Being elastic, it can really scale to petabytes of data easily.
It's got everything there that you want. It's got the performance, it's got the richness, it's got the scalability, and it does it really, really well.
It's something that is going to quickly transform your organization.
It's cost effective because we had looked around the market.
It's a decision tool. It's a decision-making tool, and something that can be quickly, basically molded to the way that your operation runs.
I remember what it was like 5-10 years ago, when the best you had was a relational database and you had to craft some pretty rigid statements to find what you're looking for, and you could only find what you were looking for. But now we have the opportunity to say, what if?
What is needed at the right time, at the right place, and the right data and the right context.
There's very natural things that you can do to set, change configuration, change your indexing format or whatever to, get it to scale.
You've got a bunch of data that's semi-structured or structured in a way that's amenable towards especially nested document structures, then it's really easy to build Elasticsearch queries on top of it that are performant.
Get up and running quickly, but don't make a bunch of weird, janky choices that it's just impossible to go from prototype to production.
Whether you're a multinational operating in multi-languages across different geographies, different domains, it has a way to pull all that information into one place.
Multifaceted encyclopedia. There you go. That's what Elasticsearch does. It helps you build a multifaceted encyclopedia.
I would say Elasticsearch is sexy search. It's not
Sexy
just.
I still like your own private Google. But sexy search, I like sexy search.
You weren't the first ones to describe it.
I see a new tagline, sexy search.